The QWB has a lot of uses for pictures, because we are basically working with a series of pictures. Flowworks can bring in any image to work with, whether from the internet, a hard drive, USB stick, or through the image library included in the software. Bring up a new white slide. Now, push the Media button on the bottom toolbar. It looks like a strip of film. A menu comes up where we can select any image saved on the computer. Once selected, pick a point on the slide, put your finger to the board, and drag diagonally down to put the image onto the screen. You can make it any size just by how far you drag the image. Once the picture is on the screen, it can be moved or resized anywhere on the screen just by touching it and pulling it to another spot. Flowworks also comes with a built-in image library that can always be added to. Maybe there's a picture that we would like to use again and again. This can easily be added to the library for quick use later on. On the right of the Media button, push the Image Library button. A new menu will come up that has images separated by topic that we can add and use just like we did before. Choose a picture and drag it over the slide like we did earlier. You can move this image just like the other ones. Finally, we can also take pictures from our desktop screen or anything that is on it. Internet, PowerPoint, software, etc. Let's switch modes with the Switch Modes hotkey. We are now in mouse mode. Bring up the image as you normally would and leave this window open. Now let's switch back to Flowworks mode. Push the Start button on the left end of the toolbar. This brings up the other menu. Push the Tools button under this menu. Under Tools, select the Image Capturer tool. We now have three options: either copy the whole screen, a square region, or an area we specifically draw. Let's select Region. This will bring you back to your desktop screen. We are now going to draw a square around the area we want to copy. Put your finger at the top corner of the area we want. Then, drag your finger to the opposite corner. This will copy the region. Once we are done, the screen we are working on will come back, and just like the other pictures, drag the image over the area we want.